Why is it so hard to predict market movement and what's going to happen next? That's what we're going to talk about today. Welcome back, traders. Daryl Lane here, Vagrant Trader Collective. And today we're going to be diving into the mindset that every single trader must embrace. This is about guessing where the market will go. You have to understand that there is a major folly in the earlier stage of your career as a trader to try to predict where the market's going to go. It's complex. There's a lot of different things that are variables that influence the overall movement, and a lot of it's beyond our own comprehension, especially in the earlier stage. And to think so is going to put you into a trap. So it's better to position yourself to utilize the power of reaction, to be someone who reacts to the market. So instead of predicting it, we're going to focus on reaction. And this means having a plan for different scenarios. If the market reaches a certain point, what will you do? Do you buy? Do you sell? Do you wait? Do you get out of the market if it's against you? By preparing for different outcomes, you become more adaptable and more resilient to what the market is presenting to you, and also you put yourself in a position to be able to operate at a moment's notice. By developing an overall plan to react to the market, this is going to allow you to better associate yourself with the familiarity of how the market moves, so later in time you can be in a position to predict. But in the earlier stages, you don't want to predict the market behavior. You want to react to what the market is giving you. Okay. So whether you're looking at a higher time frame, lower time frame, market structure, support and resistance, you have to have in your mind a disciplined approach to how you're going to respond to certain areas in the market. And if you can do this correctly, you can put yourself in a position where a lot more times than not, your trades will be more profitable. This is all about discipline. You want to stick to the plan. You want to think of all the things that we've discussed before with emotional control, being aware. All these different things are going to participate together. When we have these different conversations, it's not about just one thing. It's about thinking about each of the different components of all the different videos that we've placed together and putting them together to help you have an overall mindset and thought process that's going to allow you to prepare for all the market conditions that you're going to be in front of. You're not going to win every trade, and that's okay. The game here is to win a set of trades. It's to be a part of a grouping of trades that are more positive versus the ones that are losing trades. And by having proper risk management and all the different things that we discuss here, you will end up over time more profitable. So think about adapting your trading strategy and your approach. Think about becoming reactive to the market instead of predicting to the markets. If you found this video insightful, if you found any of the information that we discussed on the channel helpful, please like, subscribe, share. You can check us out at vagranttradercollective.com. You can check us out on Instagram at Vagrant Trader, at Vagrant Trading Academy, Instagram at Vagrant Trader Insights, TikTok at Vagrant Trading Academy. Take care, be safe.